According to UNESCO, enrollment in higher education has surged over 254 million students over the past 2 decades. Most of these students reside in dormitories where limited space and financial pressures from expensive everyday items such as dryers worsen their situation.
In response to these concerns, our research team proposes Hang It Dry, a foldable hanger with an integrated heating element for efficient garment drying.
I'm Adini.
Hi, I'm Akif. Hi, I'm Arif. And
My name is Dayan and
We're from MRSM
ALOR
GAJAH. So today we will present to you our project entitled Hang It Dry.
there are a few problem statements. First, it can be difficult to organize in tight spaces. Second, individuals from a less than average background can't even afford clean clothes. Third, dryers can be difficult for old people to use. Fourth, economical dryers causes harm to clothes. Hangers are bulky and they're hard to move around. Typical hangers are easily breakable and they're not sustainable.
For our data, we conducted a survey to the students of MRSM GAJAH to ask whether or not they've experienced their clothes not drying well due to rainy weather or not enough heat. The pie chart here shows that 88.7% said yes, while the other 8.9% said no, and 2.4% said others. We implemented SDG 11, which is Sustainable Cities and Communities. For our subtopics, we used 11.6, which is to reduce environmental impact of urban areas, and 11.7 to ensure access to safe and inclusive green spaces.
We also implemented SDG 9, Industry, Innovation and Infrastructure, 9.4, Upgrade Infrastructure and Modernize Industry for Sustainability, 9.5, Boost Scientific Research, Technology Capabilities and Innovation. We also implemented SDG 12, Responsible Production and Consumption, 12.5, Reduce Waste Generation.
For our objectives, first we have space efficiency. It's foldable and have an integrated heater. For portability, it's lightweight and can be used when travel. It's also convenient because it has a fan that distributes the heat across the clothes for quick drying. Next, durability. It's crafted out of laminated wood, which is water resistant to protect from harsh weathers. Accessibility is a budget-friendly option for the lower socio-economical classes. Energy efficiency. It uses less electrical energy, thus lower carbon emissions.
So our team prepared a sketch of the Hang It Dry project to visualize its design. So as you can see all the features and the way it can be folded inward there. Yeah, okay, so today we prepared to you a physical model of the Hang It Dry project to explain to you its features and characteristics. So for the first feature is integrated heating element, which effectively dries your clothing, whether indoor or outdoors. It has fan inside the heating mesh to distribute the heat evenly when you're drying your garment. Second feature is rotational axle. It is positioned at the top of the hanger, and with just a push of button, it can facilitate easy non-stop spinning motion whether indoor or outdoors, so your garment can dry very easily and fastly. The rotational axis also allow garment turnover to help it hang through any places, even if the hook embedded in the wall. For the third feature is side hooks, which is found on the flanks that serve as an additional storage for garments so that you can dry your tie and your stockings even indoors or outdoors, with your garment also drying too. Next, for the fourth feature is the central hinge, which runs along the core. It enables the hanger to be folded so that can be stored easily for hostel students or even tourists. For the next feature is, it has two battery holders that can be put off and on so that you can replace your battery easily, which power ups the heater and the fan inside the heater. So for the real project, the material composition will be constructed from lightweight yet robust laminated wood so that the quality is always maintained.
Improvement regarding space efficiency. We intend to implement a slim design to reduce raw material costs and space occupied. This makes it easier for travelers and students alike to fit this gadget in their luggage. This also makes the design more aesthetic and improves the overall impression of the product.
Our second improvement is increased energy efficiency. To achieve this, we plan on replacing our lithium-ion batteries with solar panels to reduce building and manufacturing costs, and we also plan to create a more sustainable product and promote the use of renewable energy.
In conclusion, the convenience offered by Hang It Dry position it as a highly marketable solution with a relevance extending beyond students to a broader community such as even tourists. This integration of this technology into daily routines correspond with global objective tied to Sustainable Development Goals 9, 11 and 12.